Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to fix your TikTok if for some reason the messages are not working properly. So what does this mean? Well, this essentially means that anytime you go over here and you try to go into your messages right here, either there's no messages out or it's not working or you're not able to DM people. Well, the very first thing I would recommend doing is obviously always make sure your network connections are set. Make sure you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi or network connection. If you are, obviously then you'd be able to load things like TikTok. You'd be able to go into here and load up some web pages, whatever you can do. As long as you can load up some web pages and everything and reasonable time, then you can pretty much verify that you're connected to a good network. If it takes you a very long time or these things don't load, then obviously that's the problem there, and that's pretty much the first thing you want to go ahead and fix. Now let's say the network connection seems to be fine. Well, then what you need to do is make your way over to your app store, just like so. You want to go ahead and search up for TikTok. So for me, TikTok is right here, and you want to update your TikTok app. This is always pretty much the next thing I would recommend people to do. It's not a guarantee, but this could possibly end up fixing the issue for you. So you want to go ahead and you can go ahead and update the app. And that's essentially the main thing you can do at this point. Now, let's say you've done those and none of those things are working. Well, you want to make sure that you're not banned by that specific TikTok user. So if you're trying to DM somebody that you know, like a friend or something, they may have banned you, you may have not even known it. So if they blocked you, then you're not going to be able to DM them. So that's the next thing you're going to want to make sure. You want to make sure that nobody's banned you, nobody's blocked you. And as long as you can verify that, then you're pretty much set for the most part. Now, let's say you've tried those things and none of those things are working. Well, the next thing I would recommend doing is contacting TikTok themselves and actually having them look into it. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to click on your own profile, which is right here. You want to give me a follow if you want to, you don't have to. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you get into the contact problem, which is right here. So you want to report a problem. So you want to go ahead and click there. And then what you want to do is you want to find the specific option that pretty much fits in with your specific dilemma. So right here, there's one that says notifications and messages. You want to go ahead and click here. And then right there, there's a little direct message option, which is right here. You want to click there. And then here it says direct messages is no longer available, unable to send direct, unable to receive. So whichever one is yours, let's just say unable to send messages, you want to go ahead and click here. You want to read through this. If none of these things are actually working or whatever, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click no, and you want to click need more help, and you want to essentially text TikTok. You can click here. You want to text TikTok and explain to them exactly what the problem is. And this is so funny because it's exactly what I said the last time. And you want to go ahead and send them, and you want to click report, and that could possibly fix the issue as well. But TikTok actually mentions another little fix here. So what you need to do is you need to enable messages in the privacy option in the beginning with. So you want to make your way over to settings right here. You want to scroll down into privacy, which is right here. And right where it says direct messages, what you can do is go ahead and click on direct messages. And you want to either allow everyone to send you messages or friends. So if you want everyone to be able to send you messages, you want to click there. But if you want nobody to send you messages, you're going to click no one. Now, probably for you, you want everyone or friends, so you can figure out which one you want. And that'll pretty much narrow it down and help you fix it in that sense too. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.